3 words to describe myself.
Persistent.
Passionate.
Organised. Funny.
A little bit obsessive compulsive.
And a perfectionist for sure.
Adventurous.
Oh, my favourite meal.
Pasta.
That's a really hard one. I don't know.
Anything Mexican.
Nothing better than a steak and veggies.
Chicken schnitzel with veggies and mashed potato.
Oh, actually Thai.
What I've learnt working at Grandstands events is
How to build a stand, beginning to end.
And you don't know how strong you are until you have to be.
It's just how to have fun at work.
Resilience, that's the word.
that nothing's possible without having a team that works together.
An insight into the office at Grandstand events.
Making things happen.
Well, it's not what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, but we definitely have a lot of laughs.
We work hard and we get to be part of the results.
Oh, what gets me up in the morning?
You know what, let's just leave that one.
My baby.
I just wake up.
The desire to make a difference.
The school run. Love a sleep in on the weekend.
My biggest dream would be
To live life to the fullest. Don't sweat the small stuff. Be a great mum.
Leave a lasting impression.
to be successful in something creative.
Hi, I'm Jade. I'm Marketing Coordinator at Grandstand Events.
What is my role?
My name's Lauren. I'm an account manager at Grandstand Events.
Hi, my name's Rod. I'm the warehouse manager.
I'm Emma and I'm a Senior Account Manager here.
Well, I'm the managing director or the director.
I'm Amanda and I'm the event coordinator.
So my name is Christian McNally and I pretty much do whatever the girls tell me to.